how to make her attracted to you as soon as you approach her. In this video, you are going to learn a very powerful secret of imagination that will make you so attractive to girls that you will start to scratch your head and say to yourself, "Oh my God, why did I never learn about this secret all my life? Why did I have to waste so much of my time learning about pointless psychology hacks or dating gimmicks or some pickup techniques that weird pickup gurus teach you?" So, what you have to understand is in order to see something in your visible world, you first have to convince yourself that that thing has already happened. So, if you can completely convince yourself that whenever you approach a beautiful girl in the street or in the gym or in the club or wherever you want, and you can see in your mind that the girl is absolutely attracted to you, you can see that her pupils are dilated, you can see that she is playing with her hair, you can see that she is giving you all sorts of green signals, you can see it in your mind that she is asking for your number, and you can completely feel the vividness of this imagination, and you feel the joy, the gratitude, the satisfaction from this imagination. Then congratulations, you have just convinced yourself that whenever you walk up to a girl, the girl is going to get attracted to you. Now do this imagination exercise night after night before falling asleep, and suddenly this persistent imaginal activity is effortlessly going to create your physical reality. Because Neville Goddard said, imagination creates reality. Even though you think your physical reality is so solid, so real, it is caused by one event and another event, it is not. Yogis have been calling your physical reality, your visible reality, as Maya for thousands of years. Maya means illusion or just a magical lie. Your physical reality is a lie because it is an extension of your own mental concept, your imagination, your feeling. And I understood this during COVID lockdown. When I was 19, I was into game, I was into pickup, and I learned about so many psychology tricks in order to form an intimate relationship with a girl. And I did have wonderful relationship with girls. However, during COVID, as I started to suffer from anxiety and panic attacks, I had to meditate because I wanted to get rid of these annoying mental health issues. And meditation taught me one thing: outer game techniques, pickup tricks, psychology hacks, dating gimmicks never really worked. It was all my vivid imagination and feelings that I had while reading a book called Sex God Method that actually created this intimate relationship in my visible world. So, your only real power is your own imagination and feeling. If you can use your imagination and feeling in such a way that you can completely convince yourself that whenever you approach a girl, she will absolutely love you. She is going to absolutely want to touch you. She will ask for everything from you, all the affection from you, not money, not other things that will harm you. Then congratulations. You have just created that physical reality. In the mental reality, you have already convinced yourself that this has happened. Now, physical reality is going to catch up to your mental reality. This is a law. The physical reality always catches up to the mental reality. So, night after night, before falling asleep, start to imagine that you are approaching women and girls are very receptive towards your approach. As soon as you approach them, they are absolutely thrilled, they are absolutely joyful, they are talking to you in a high pitch, they are happy, they are laughing, they're smiling at you, they want to touch you. And mentally rehearse this imaginal act over and over again until you start to feel the feelings of joy, gratitude, empowerment, accomplishment, success, victory. Feel these elevated emotions for a long period of time and just simply relax into unconsciousness. just quietly drop off to sleep after feeling these elevated emotions, because feeling is the secret of attracting the emotion, the events in your life. Feeling is what breathes life into your imagination. Feeling gives power to your imagination. Only after you feel the feelings of your imagination, you can be sure that you have convinced yourself that whenever you approach a girl, the girl is going to be in love with you. By the way, an average human being cannot visualize strongly. He cannot put all the sensory vividness in his imaginal act. He cannot hold his attention on the desired imaginal act, because his attention will either go to past traumatic event. You will start to anticipate a future scenario where the girl is rejecting you as soon as you approach her. But if you manage to discipline it, your attention, manage your attention, and mentally rehearse the imagination, then you are going to sustain these elevated emotions for a long period of time. And the longer you can sustain these elevated emotions, the faster you can see change happen in your physical reality. You do not have to raise a single finger after you have convinced yourself that whenever you approach a girl, she is going to be in love with you. When you have convinced yourself of this fact, things are naturally going to happen. You'll just be compelled to walk up towards her, or she will be compelled to walk up towards you, and you guys will form a beautiful connection. Because it's all imagination. Imagination is creating your reality. Now, if you want one on one personalized coaching from me, by the way, please invest in yourself for at least 30 days, because you have to be able to train the faculty of your imagination, train the faculty of your attention, train the capacity of your body to hold positive feelings. And one day you land this imagination plus feeling in your deepest portion of your mind, the subconscious mind, the receptive mind, and whatever you have imagined will get outpictured into your physical reality. Now, if you want help from me, a one on one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop a strong imagination, attention, and capacity to hold positive feelings, so that when you imagine wonderful things happening to you, when you imagine girls becoming happy, becoming receptive, when you approach them, girls even approaching you and asking for your number, and all of this imaginal act will get outpictured into your physical reality. If you want that, then message me in my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box and the pinned comment section down below as well. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.